So let us go to subsecondary classification for whorls. For whorls, you need to consider the ridge tracing. Okay? And through the ridge tracing, you can determine whether it is inner, outer, or meeting. Okay? Now, it is important also to determine the right delta, whether the ridges are found above or it is found below right delta. Okay? And here, if the ridges are 2, 1, or no ridges at all, or 0, it will be meeting. So here, if it is 3 or more ridges above, it will be inner with capital letter I. Okay? If it is 3 or more ridges below right delta, then it will be capital letter O, which means outer. Okay? So let us proceed to the exercises here. Okay? So let us get first the primary classification and the secondary classification. So here we have the numerator. We have it here, central. We have it in double Whorl, radial, double Whorl, and radial. So we have here central pocket loop whorl, so it is 16. So this will be 16 and this will be 8, and radial loop is non-numerical, so we will not copy the assigned number or designated number. We have here double loop whorl, so it will be 2, and radial loop, it will not be considered also. So we have here, we have 16 plus 8, 24, 25, 26 plus 1, it will be 27. For denominator, we have radial loop, plain whorl, ulnar, accidental whorl, plain whorl. So non-numerical, we will not get the designated number. We have 8 here, plain whorl. This will be non-numerical also. So we have 2 and we have 1. So let us add it up. We have 8 added with 2, 10, added with 1, it will be 11, and add with the arbitrary count of 1, it will be 12. Secondary classification, we have central, we have accidental. Okay. Now, a small letter group. We have does not belong to small letter group, these fingers. We have the thumb, it belongs to small letter group. So letter R. How about here? We have here. How about here? We have okay. So that's the secondary classification. Let us move to subsecondary for whorl. So here, for the index finger for right, we have 5 ridges above right delta. So let us go back on the bracket. 5 ridges above right delta. So it belongs here. Okay, for the index finger. So 5 ridges above right delta. So it will be capital letter I. Okay. The next one, this one. Okay. So it is 0 ridge above right delta. So it will be, let us go back. If it is 0 ridge, 0, 1, 2 ridges, it will be meeting. It doesn't matter whether it is below or above, for as long as the bracket of the ridges belongs here. So let us go back. So this will be 0 ridge, so it will be capital letter M, which means meeting. Let us move here. So a double loop whorl with 4 ridges below right delta. So let us go back to the bracket. 4 ridges below right delta. So it is here. It belongs to capital letter O. Okay. Let us move to the denominator. How about here? We have 7 ridges above right delta. So let us go back. If it is above right delta and it is 3 or more, it will be capital letter I. Next one, we have here 12 ridges below right delta. So let us go back again. If it is below right delta, then it will be outer. Okay. How about this? We have plain whorl with 4 ridges above right delta. So it will be, if it is above the right delta, it will still be capital letter I. So that's it. That is the subsecondary for whorls.